Good evening, guys. So we are looking for tomorrow's market analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So we can see actually today market was some kind of range bound market where Nifty doesn't support Bank Nifty for the up move. So I was already expecting an up move to the market towards the end of the market, but we can see that it's kind of a range bound market today. So last day also on Monday also we have seen a range bound market. So tomorrow is an expiry for Bank Nifty. So we can expect a good move sometimes towards this supply, which resting over here. So this supply can be mitigated tomorrow, or this gap can be filled. This gap gap can be filled tomorrow. So we can expect a up move from here tomorrow's gap up. Still somewhere around this 50% of gap or this gap and fill this, and if we get a structural shift then we can look for the sells for tomorrow. So if you have a good setup to take the upside, we can take the upside. Otherwise we can look for the sells if we get a structural shift over here. So this is my tomorrow's view for the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is resting in a demand zone and which fill this imbalance. So in 4 hour itself, it's filled the imbalance, and we can see the market can be react from this demand zone. So we already seen today that market is reacting from this demand zone towards the end of the market, because in the opening yesterday also the market just reacted from there, but at the towards the end of the day still consolidation and stopped at the range bound. And even open today and took the previous day liquidity over here, and again it gives a sign of up move, some kind of sign up move, but still today also market in closed the day in a range bound market. So I was looking for an structural shift over here and looking for a buy entry over here, but market doesn't give that much move today. Just tapped out of the zone and just waited over here. So I have refined the demand zone over there in 1 hour and 50 minutes. So I was expecting the market will come to here, but it just reacted from the imbalance left over here. So imbalance left over here and market reacted over there, and it forms some kind of structural shift and tries to move upward. So sometimes market, according to my expectation, if there is a gap up market over there, you can expect some kind of reactions from here, but still market may break this and goes up towards the extreme zone or towards this imbalance, like 50% of this gap fill and makes that structural shift over here and falls. Or that was my expectation if it is a gap up opening over this area. Else if this happen, how can I say, if this structural shift happened and if it opened gap down over here, then you must follow. I mean, if this break, then we will see a good fall over here. Otherwise, you can see if a gap down or around a flat opening, you can check for the structural shift over here and then again go for the buys. So we must look for the extreme demand zone also. So here is also an unmitigated demand zone, you can see. So maybe market comes to here and again look for a structural shift and goes up. That's what my expectation for tomorrow. Actually the market reacted from the equilibrium itself, so more chance to induce this supply demand zone, and induce this demand zone, and more chance to take this low and then goes from this. If it drops continuously impulsively, otherwise if it drops very slowly and gives a good structural shift over here, we can look for the buys over here. So that was my expectation, and you can follow these expectations for tomorrow, and you can take entries according to your entry criteria. Don't follow what some kind of what do we say? We should not follow like just taking the trade. We must follow some kind of criteria, some kind of rules, and take the trades. This was my expectation for Bank Nifty tomorrow. So let's go for Nifty tomorrow. So in Nifty, you can see what just happened. We can see the Nifty took the all-time high yesterday, last Monday, I think. Yeah, no, sorry, Friday. Last Friday, it took the all-time high, and it shows some kind of bearishness after taking the low. So after taking the all-time high, it shows the kind of bearishness over here, and a structural shift happened here. Again, a structural shift happened here. So I expected this is some kind of liquidity, and it will take up this liquidity and comes to this supply for again a price drop. But market doesn't come to market came to this supply. This is also a supply zone, but I could feel like it's some kind of a for liquidity, which I already shared in my Telegram. So everyone who wishes to see live updates on market, you can check out our Telegram, which is given in the description. Okay, my channel is in description. So you can see that yesterday market came to here, reacted after filling this gap. Actually, this gap is filled over here, and market reacted over here. So today opening market reacted over here, and I expected the market will first grab this liquidity and came to this imbalance, fill this imbalance, and if we get a structural shift, we can look for the sells. So right now, my higher probable setup is in buy side, but still you can look for the sells, because even after a gap fill and imbalance fill, uh, you can look for the sells out there. So until that, my buy side probability is high. So this was my expectation for Nifty, but Bank Nifty is completely opposite for Nifty during that time, because when I look for the entry for buy side, Nifty was in Bank Nifty. When I look for an entry, the Nifty was in near the supply zone. So I left today no entry for the day, and you can see a completely out and out range bound market on Bank Nifty today. So this was my expectation for tomorrow. So you guys can follow me on Telegram, as my channel Bullfox Trading is there. You can see the description and take the trades accordingly. Thank you, and have a profitable day for tomorrow. Thank you, guys.